Welcome to Zoomania. Now we come to our topic. Our topic is the top 10 facts about elephant. Number 1, they are the world's largest land animal. As you know, the African elephant is the world's largest land mammal, with males on average measuring up to 3 meters high and weighing up to 6 tons. Males only reach their full size at 35 to 40 years. That's well over half their lifespan, as wild elephants can live for up to 60 to 70 years. Number 2, you can tell the two species apart by their ears. There are two species of elephants, African and Asian. The ears of African elephants are much larger than their cousins and are described as being shaped like the African continent, whereas the ears of Asian elephants are shaped like the Indian subcontinent. There is also a trunk difference. African elephants have 2 fingers at the tip of their trunks, whereas Asian elephants have 1. Number 3, their trunks have mad skills. Elephants have around 150,000 muscles units in their trunk. Number 4, their tusks are actually teeth. Elephant tusks are actually enlarged incisor teeth, which first appear when elephants are around 2 years old. Tusks continue growing throughout their lives. Number 5, they have got thick skin. An elephant's skin is 2.5 cm thick in most places. The folds and wrinkles in their skin can retain up to 10 times more water than flat skin does, which help to cool them down. Number 6, elephants are constantly eating. Elephants need up to 150 kg of food per day. That around 375 tins of baked beans, although half of this may leave the body undigested. Number 7, they communicate through vibrations. Elephants communicate in a variety of ways, including sounds like trumpet calls, body language, touch, and scent. They can also communicate through seismic signals, sound that create vibrations in the ground. Number 8, calves can stand within 20 minutes of birth. Amazingly, elephant calves are able to stand within 20 minutes of being born and can walk within 1 hour. After 2 days, they can keep up with the herd. This incredible survival technique means that herds of elephants can keep migrating to find food and water to thrive. Number 9, an elephant never forgets. The elephant's temporal lobe is larger and denser than that of people, hence the saying elephants never forget. The last but not least, around 90% of African elephants have been wiped out in the past century. Around 90% of African elephants have been wiped out in the past century, largely due to the ivory trade, leaving an estimating 415,000 wild animals alive today. Asian elephants are also under threat, having declined by at least 50% in last 3 generations. There are only around 45,000 left in the wild. As their habitat changes, fragments and is lost, a human settlement and agriculture population of Asian elephants are finding it harder to follow their traditional migration routes to reach water, feeding and breeding grounds, and they are coming into often dangerous contact with people. Hope you like this information. Please like, share and subscribe Zoomania and subscribe my channel and comment in comment section if you want more research work Please subscribe, like and share Zoomania.